can I take a break?
No, keep working. Keep working. Get back to work. Get back to work. You don't even talk to me. You don't even talk to me. Okay? Okay? Yeah, get back to work. What is up, YouTube fam? So you guys already know we are back. So if you happen to stumble across this page, let me go ahead and just welcome you to the channel real quick. This is gonna be quick. You have tuned in to none other than Keeping Up with the Cooper. So if you happen to stumble across this page, welcome, 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 you guys. You hear all right? You heard all right? Go ahead and do your girl a quick favor, like, comment, hit the subscribe button, ding that notification button. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications. But for all the other people who has been following along with my channel, you guys, this is part 2 of our stair reno, you guys. I'm really excited. We are almost done. What, we got 2 more stairs, babe? We only got 2 more stairs to do, but I want to show you guys. Basically, we are done, finito, completed. We still have to make a little bit of tweaks, like, you know, caulk certain areas, and we still have to paint certain areas and stuff like that, you guys. But yeah, other than that, we are done. I want to show you guys the stairs. We're gonna get started into this video, you guys. So I hope that you guys all enjoy. Make sure that you stay tuned, you guys, because you guys are gonna see the ending effect at the end of this video, okay? When I tell y'all, y'all don't want to miss it, y'all don't want to miss it, okay? These stairs look elegant, they sexy. I would give y'all a sneak peek, but then what would be the point of y'all watching the video? So, you know, you're gonna have to watch the video to get the end result, you know? So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the second part of this video. That's enough talking for me, you guys. I'm so excited. I cannot stop smiling. Like, boo, my boo-boo did his thing. We did our thing, because, you know what I'm saying, teamwork make the dream work, you know? So let's get started to this video. Bye, guys. All right, you guys, so we're picking up where we left off at, and you guys already know where that is, and that is cutting our treads. So that's what we're doing right now. And the stain that we're using is the Polyurethane wood stain clear, and the color that we went with was, it was midnight. There we go. Yeah, it was definitely midnight. It's like a black tint, and it looks freaking awesome. As you guys can see me right here, I'm just tinting it on down, you guys. You guys are gonna check out the graining here in a second. The graining on this pine wood is just exquisite, you guys. Just watch the process. So as you guys can see right here, I'm going in with a second coat of the stain because I didn't want it to look too light. I wanted to look a little bit darker, so that's what we're doing right here, you guys. But check, did you guys see the graining? Yes, that's what I was talking about right there.
Boss, can I take a break?
No, keep working. Keep working. Get back to work. Get back to work. You don't even talk to me. You don't even talk to me. Okay? Okay? Yeah, get back to work. Alright, you guys. These are our risers. Look how pretty it is, you guys. I knew that the stain was going to take really good to the pine wood, you guys. Like, look at the graining. It is beautiful, and I'm hoping that the camera is picking up on what I'm putting down. You know what I'm saying? No, I'm just kidding though, but I'm really hoping that the camera is doing this some justice, because what I'm looking at right now, you guys, is greatness. We decided to go over it 2 times instead of 1 time, because in the beginning it looked more like a weathered gray, and we wanted it to look dark. So we're going to keep it at this level, you guys. It looks really good. Right now on the camera, it's showing up a little bit lighter, but it's not that light, you guys. It's like dark. It's quite dark, but it looks really good. I just want you guys to look at the detail of the graining, you guys. I'm really excited to put these in the house. It looks like it's gonna rain, you guys, because we're in a race against time. But yeah, this is what we're looking at right now, and this is what we're doing. Okay, so if you guys already tuned in to part 1 of the video, then you guys already know what this is. You guys, these are the completed risers that we did in part 1, and let me tell you what, baby, they are looking so good.
Feel my heart, it's beat tight. All my body's breathing, it's just you and me. Feel my heart, it's beat tight. All my body's breathing, it's just you and me. I'm so caught in this, we're so lost deep in it, can't stop. I'm forever the one you call. Let's free fall. I'm so caught in this, we're so lost deep in it, can't stop.
Alright, you guys, so we got the risers in, and oh my god, it already makes such a big difference, you guys. Look how beautiful it looks. You guys cannot tell me Hector did not do his thing. No, I'm just kidding. You know, y'all cannot tell you that my husband ain't do his thing. But you guys, looks really, really good. I'm so excited. Oh, I can't wait to put the freaking risers on that bad boy. Yeah. But you guys, this is greatness, and it's coming together. Slowly but surely, we get in there. Okay guys, so in the beginning, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I did start off with applying the polyurethane with the paintbrush and stuff like that with the brush. But then I figured, y'all, it just took way too much time. So you guys are gonna see in the next clip, I'm gonna go from the paintbrush and I'm just gonna go ahead and put the polyurethane in my paint sprayer, and I'm just gonna finish it off like that. And I actually gave it like a really nice even coat. And you're not going to see too many clips of that just because, you know, the polyurethane with the wind and stuff, it got stuck on my camera lens. And yeah, I didn't want my camera to get, you know, ruined by it. But you guys get the gist. guys, so here's the end result of my stairs, you guys. They look so good. Check out the granny, you guys. It looks so, you know, futuristic. It looks sleek. It's just everything that I wanted, you guys. Make sure that you guys look. You know what? Matter of fact, I'm going to show you guys the before and the after. And I hope that you guys all enjoyed this vlog. Be sure to like, comment, hit the subscribe button, ding that notification bell. You guys give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel and all of that good stuff. This stair rental was on a budget. I hope you guys all enjoyed. And until next time, bye guys.